I've been living here for more than 10 years. My work is mostly research on monetary policy and teaching PhD students. Apparently in AI, that is an emerging market, really fully catching up to the technology frontier and then being part of the group of countries that push technology ahead. And that's an impressive thing. Like, China is one of the very few countries that really did this way through catching up and then being modern. I recently visited a village. The villagers together founded their own company, turned their village into kind of a village-themed amusement park. They all kind of, through that, became rich, which is like a very nice example of very successful rural development. So how much Chinese modernization will change what's available on the world? On the product side, just you are pushing innovation now. On the kind of demand side, people care more about quality of life, harmonious with nature, common prosperity. It's going more from quantitative growth to qualitative growth. In a way, China is just maturing.